Hello, this is William King from langley.com. I am in North Vancouver today working at an auto dealership doing high windows, and I want to shoot a quick video and show you how I can remove bird droppings like the water-fed pole method here. You might hire someone to do it. As you can see here, this water-fed pole works really well, and I'm going to show you a before and after of what it can look like with bird droppings on there and then removed, just using this simple brush and water system. And so as you can see, the bird droppings are gone from the window there, and this was just done with this water-fed pole and brush system. This can reach up to 50 feet in the air, so 5 stories without a problem. If you want to find out more, visit my website at langley.com, and hope you have a great day.